For this next shape, we're going to explore using Vector Edit mode to modify a vector path. Start by adding a 46 by 48 rectangle inside the Shape 4 frame and centering it inside the frame. To enter Vector Edit mode, select the rectangle and press Enter, or double-click on it. Now let's add additional vector points to the top and bottom paths of the rectangle. Hover your cursor near the top path. By default, a new point will appear in the center of the path. Click on it to add it to the path. To move this node, we could click and drag it with the cursor, but you could also use math equations to precisely adjust the value of some properties like position, dimension, and rotation. Let's try that out. Select the node you just added and check out the Y field in the right sidebar. We want to move this node 15 pixels toward the center of the shape, so it seems like we should subtract 15 pixels, right? Well, unlike a traditional coordinate system, the Y-axis in Figma Design and other design tools is flipped, meaning an increase will actually move the node downward instead of upward. With that in mind, type +15 in the Y field and press Enter. Now let's do the same to the bottom path. Add another node and decrease the Y value by 15. You should end up with a bow tie-like shape. To exit Vector Edit mode, double-click outside of the shape or press Enter. Let's finish it up by rounding the corners to 8 for a softer look. Before moving on, be sure to rename the frame. We'll call this one Squish.